Welcome to Life Upgrade with AI. This channel is all about using AI to make everyday life and the holidays easier and more organized. I'm showing everything on ChatGPT from my desktop, but you can use any AI tool or even the mobile app. Let's dive in. Christmas is one of the most joyful times of the year, but let's be honest, gift planning can get overwhelming fast. There are so many people to shop for, and it's easy to lose track of ideas, budgets, and timing. But the good news is that AI can make your entire Christmas gift planning process simple, organized, and actually pretty fun. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to create a full Christmas gift plan, from ideas to budgets to deadlines, using just a few beginner-friendly prompts. Let's get started. Before we jump into specific people or budgets, it helps to get a simple overview of the typical categories or gifts people buy. This makes planning much easier and gives you ideas you may not have considered. Here's the first prompt I'm using. Give me a simple overview of the most common categories of Christmas gifts people buy. AI usually gives categories like experiences, practical gifts, cozy items, food gifts, tech, hobbies, and sentimental gifts. This helps you start thinking about the direction you want to go for your own list. Seeing all the categories laid out gives you a clear starting point and makes everything feel less overwhelming. Now let's get more personal. Instead of trying to remember everyone you want to shop for, we'll have AI create a simple gift list template for the people you're buying for this year. Here's the prompt. Create a Christmas gift list for 7 people. Include name, relationship, one gift idea, and estimated cost. You can change the number of people or add specific names and relationships here. AI will create a clean list you can use as your starting point. This list gives you a snapshot of who you're shopping for, how much it might cost, and what types of gifts fit each person. It's a great overview for managing your budget later. And we're not done. Now that we have the list of people, let's ask AI for more thoughtful and personalized ideas. This is where AI really shines, because it can give you unique suggestions based on someone's interests, age, hobbies, or personality. Here's the prompt to use. Give me 5 personalized gift ideas for each of these people. My husband Brian, my sister Tina, and my parents Heidi and Carl. Keep ideas under $50. You can copy and paste the list from the previous step or type out names and relationships manually. AI then gives you creative, beginner-friendly suggestions for each person. Maybe cozy gifts for your sister, hobby-related items for your partner, or small, thoughtful gifts for coworkers. This step often sparks ideas you wouldn't have come up with on your own, and it prevents the classic last-minute, I don't know what to buy panic. Now that we have ideas for each person, let's turn everything into a realistic budget. This helps you avoid overspending and stay in control during the holiday rush. Here's the budget prompt. Create a Christmas gift budget based on a total of $300. Include recommended spending per person and one suggested gift. AI will divide your budget across your list in a way that makes sense. It may recommend spending a bit more on close family members and less on acquaintances or coworkers. This budget becomes your guide as you shop, and it helps you stay confident that you're sticking to a plan that works for you financially. Now that we know what we're buying and how much we're spending, let's create a Christmas shopping plan to help you avoid last-minute stress. Here's the prompt you can use for this. Make me a Christmas shopping plan with deadlines, reminders, and ways to avoid last-minute stress. AI will give you deadlines for ordering online, buying in store, wrapping gifts, and even returning items if needed. This is also where AI gives helpful reminders like setting a weekly shopping goal, tracking deliveries, or checking sales. With a timeline like this, your holiday season feels more calm, more organized, and a lot more enjoyable. And a bonus tip is to tell AI today's date when you ask it to make you the shopping plan. Now let's put everything into one simple document you can use throughout the season. Here's the final prompt. Combine everything into one simple Christmas gift planning template I can copy and use. AI will then put together your gift list, your ideas, your budget, your shopping plan, and your reminders all in one place. You can paste this into Notes, Notion, Google Docs, or print it out. This becomes your Christmas gift HQ for the whole season. And that's it. With just a few simple prompts, you now have a complete Christmas gift plan that's organized, practical, and stress-free. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what holiday-themed AI video you want to see next. Christmas dinner planning, holiday decorating, budgeting, or even New Year's planning. I would love to help. Thank you for watching and happy holiday planning.